In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive folder. We'll walk through this using the web version of OneDrive so you can follow along from any modern browser. Start by opening your browser and searching for OneDrive. Click the official Microsoft OneDrive link to go to the sign-in page. Enter your account information and click Next to sign in. Once you're in your OneDrive dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click My Files. This is where all your folders and files are organized. Find the folder you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, because sharing a folder gives access to everything inside it and typically anything you add to it later. When you're ready, look for the Share button beside the folder's name and click it. If you don't see it right away, hover over the folder or select it, and the Share option will appear. A sharing window will open. In the box provided, start typing the name, group, or email address of the person you want to share with. OneDrive will suggest people from your contacts or organization as you type. Add a short message to give context, like what the folder contains or any deadlines. This helps the recipient understand what to expect and how to use the shared content. You now have two ways to share. If you prefer to send the link yourself, click Copy Link. This gives you a shareable link that you can paste into a chat, text, or your own email. It's quick and flexible, especially if you want to send it to multiple people or through a specific app. Keep in mind that access and permissions for the link depend on your organization settings. Recipients may be able to view or edit based on those defaults. Alternatively, you can click Send to email the invitation directly from OneDrive. The recipient will receive an email with your message and a button to open the folder. This method keeps everything tidy and is great when you want a straightforward, trackable invitation. Before you finish, double check that you selected the correct folder and that your message is clear. If you're collaborating long-term, consider noting expectations in your message, like whether recipients should add files or just view them. If the person doesn't see the email, you can always share the copied link through another channel. That's all there is to it. You've successfully shared a OneDrive folder, making it easy for others to access the files they need, all from your browser or